Time zone chaos? Juggling teams from different companies? We get it. Scheduling across borders and teams can be a nightmare. It's not just your schedule that's under pressure, it's your budget too.
Meet Callfrenzy. It's more than a way to arrange your meetings. It makes scheduling easy and cost-effective. Scheduling across time zones and organizations has never been easier or more affordable. Unlock the power of simple scheduling with Calfrenzy. Our group scheduling, group-to-one, and one-to-one booking pages allow for seamless coordination without the worry of extra charges for every team member. Stay connected whether you're on the move or at your desk with our mobile and desktop apps. Calfrenzy puts the world of scheduling in the palm of your hand. Boost your workflow with Calfrenzy's Gmail add-on and Chrome extension, making scheduling events an integral and smooth part of your day. With Calfrenzy, online scheduling meets fair pricing. We're not just about saving you time, we're committed to saving you money too. Join the movement towards smarter collaboration. Calfrenzy. Save time, save money. Schedule smarter today.